Welcome to Mass Lover, the place where construction meets calculation. If you work around cranes, lifts, or load charts, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like to support more real-world engineering content. Today, we're diving into 3 real-world crane capacity problems, step by step. We'll use actual field images, solid math, and real solutions you can use on site. Let's get into it. Problem 1. Lift at the edge of capacity. A 25-ton mobile crane is lifting an 8.5-ton HVAC unit onto a rooftop. The working radius is 9 meters and the boom angle is 65 degrees. Is this lift safe? Step 1, check the crane's load chart. At a 9-meter radius, the maximum capacity is 9.6 tons. Step 2, apply a safety factor of 85%. That gives us a safe limit of 8.16 tons. Step 3, compare with the actual load. 8.5 tons, that's over the safe limit by 0.34 tons. To fix this, we have options. Move the crane closer to reduce the radius, use a higher capacity crane, or reduce the load weight if possible. Close enough is not good enough, always check the numbers. Problem 2, high boom angle, misjudged radius. A 50-ton crane is lifting 12 tons of rebar to the 4th floor. The operator estimates the radius as 5 meters, but because of a high boom angle, the actual radius is 7.5 meters, according to the load chart. At 5 meters, the capacity is 14 tons. 7.5 meters, it drops to 10.5 tons. Apply the 85% safety factor, the safe working load becomes 8.92 tons, but the load is 12 tons. That's a serious elbow. To correct it, use a radius indicator or digital monitor. Recalculate using the correct boom angle, or switch to a 75-ton crane. Lesson: radius is easy to misjudge. Measure, don't guess. Problem 3, slewing during the lift. A 40-ton crane lifts a 10-ton generator from a truck. The lift starts at 6 meters and ends 12 meters away after a 90-degree swing. The team only calculated for the initial 6-meter radius. Here's the problem. Crane charts apply to the full swing pack, not just where the load starts. At 6 meters, capacity is fine. But at 12 meters, the max capacity drops to 11 tons. Apply the safety factor, that's 9.35 ton. And the load is 10 tons, too much for that radius. The fix? Always plan for the maximum radius during the swing. Use taglines for load control and review tail swing and ground conditions. Every lift must be planned from start to finish, not just the pick. Crane lifts aren't just about power, they're about planning. And as you've seen, the math makes all the difference. Thanks for watching, Mass Lover. If you found this useful, hit like, tap subscribe, and share this video with your crew. Got a tricky lifter capacity question? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next.